Alright, first we need to add UV sphere. And now go to spatter properties, and set segment to 16. And now go to edit mode, and activate 8th X-ray view, and select these faces, and now press X to delete faces. And add mirror modifier on Z-axis, and now select this top faces, and press X to delete faces. And now active the vert view here, and now select this vertex, and unselect this verts. And now go here and select bridge edge loop, press Ctrl R to add loop cuts in center, and join them like me, and select this verts and press S to scale down. And now select this vertex by pressing all, 1, 2, 3, 4, and press Ctrl B. For bevel those edges, width, and segment you can see here. And now press Ctrl plus minus, and press E then S to scale down. And set clipping to 350 for smooth shape, and apply mirror modifier, and add subdivision surface modifier, and set level to 2, and apply that. And now you've seen a basketball, and go to shading and press new material, and set orange color to base color, and add bump node connect with normals, and add noise texture, and set scale to 60, and detail to 60 for smooth shading play with, and connect with bump node, and go to edit mode and add new material and press assign, and go to render view and add plane, and render it yourself if you want. I make a second part of this tutorial, comment for that, and like and subscribe for more.